Namaste to all the unique ones. If you are listening to my channel for the first time, please subscribe for more videos. This is a story of a little bird. Once a small bird laid some eggs near the ocean. The bird is leading a peaceful and happy life. One fine day, it has gone to get some food. A few hours later, the bird came back, but it could not find neither eggs nor its nest. It has searched everywhere around. Eventually, it has understood that the waves had taken. The bird approached the sea and requested to give its nest back, but ocean ignored. The little bird has asked again and again, but couldn't get any response. It screamed and warned at the sea that it is going to empty the ocean. This time, ocean laughed derisively and said that the little bird can't do anything as the bird is very small. But the bird began taking out a drop of water at a time and throwing it on the land. Some other birds saw this and inquired on what the bird is doing. After knowing this, the other birds laughed at this little bird and suggested to drop, as emptying the ocean is impossible. But the little bird kept on doing. After a few days, some other little birds saw all this and thought it was a noble task that the little bird is doing, and they also joined to this bird. After a while, some other big birds took up its cause. They also started taking out water drop by drop. They went on for week. This went on for a week. This went on for quite some days. This news of this effort of these little birds came to this bird's king, Garuda. Garuda was very surprised by its spirit of patience and perseverance. The king's bird Garuda has stood behind this little bird as a great supporter and warned the sea to give its nest back. Otherwise, he will empty the ocean. Now, the assuming a strong supporter by looking at this furious and ultimate support that the bird got from Garuda, the trembled ocean has given back the bird's nest. So, what is the lesson from this story? How can we apply this bird story to your life? Many of you are also like a bird who are leading a happy and peaceful life and working to achieve your goals. Sometimes the people around you may try to demotivate you. They will challenge your work. They feel that whatever you are doing is useless. But if you have a strong will and passion on what you are doing, your dedication will catch good people's support. You might be fighting alone, but you will get some support eventually. You might be fighting alone. There may be so many obstacles in your life. The obstacle may be financial crisis, it may be job crisis, it may be family problems, it may be you are feeling alone. But you should not give up. You should not give up. You should stand for your values. Like how a bird wants the strong supporter to face the strong opponent, that is ocean. Your dedication and perseverance also will gain nature's support. perseverance, patience, and self giving all are of paramount importance to fulfill your goals. If a little bird can do it, why can't you? Why can't you? Stand up and never give up.